here are a couple things that just really disturb me. Maybe I've just been doing this for too long and, I've seen too many cycles end like this. But here's the first thing I want to share with you. So you have these quantum computing stocks that are just been absolute screamers. IONQ and QUBT as example, just total screamers. The stocks are down 16 and 26% respectively this morning, just simply because CEO of NVIDIA made some comments last night that quantum computing won't have any real business effects for like 15 to 30 years. That's what he said last night. So they're just killing these stocks. These are concept stocks, and he killed the concept last night. These stocks remind me of, let's say, as an example, the 3D printing stocks of the last wicked bull market. 3D printing stocks. They had charts like this. They went to the moon. They're the future of printing. They're the future of manufacturing. And what they ended up being was just the future of the science fair at elementary school. And the stocks have been swept into the waste bin of concept ideas. Now, I'm not saying quantum computing is going to be swept into the waste bin. I think there will be uses for quantum computing without a doubt. 15 to 30 years, who knows? CEOs of NVIDIA probably knows more than me, right? So there's no commercial application for quantum computing right now. These are concept stocks. The rug gets pulled and the stocks crater. This is the type of action we see at market top. I'm going to tell you something else, and this is going to blow your mind. I think it blew mine. Try to wrap your head around this. I know a lot of you enjoy trading these tiny micro cap stocks. They make my skin crawl. Okay. It is, I don't care the amount of money that somebody could make gambling on a micro cap stock with zero earnings and zero revenue. I understand you enjoy the party. I don't want to stop you from doing it. You go ahead and do that. I've been through other cycles like this. When those type of stocks dominate volume on the market, we have a serious problem. It will not end well. Those people will get wiped out. That's not investing. It's gambling, pure and simple. As long as you understand that's what you're doing, have at it. Have at it. You want to get in there and get out before the rug pulls on an idea? Hey man, go for it. But please recognize that should be in the same column as your sports betting and your casino action. So whatever capital you're using should be the same amount that maybe you use when you go to the casino. It's not for a retirement portfolio. It's not for fiduciary money. It's not for the vast majority of your wealth. Want to have some fun over there? Go ahead and have some fun. I'm not doing this every day on my desk running a virtual hedge fund to have fun. I don't do that. I do it to manage money successfully, to protect capital that was hard to create and to make that capital grow. Yesterday was the first time in 40 years that fewer than 35% of NASDAQ stocks advanced. Now, ready? Wrap your head around this. But more than 65% of the volume flowed into those advancing issues. Only 35% of NASDAQ stocks advanced, but 65% of the volume flowed into that small window of stocks. And the majority of those stocks were these insane meme concept, in some cases not even a concept, stock, zero earnings, zero revenue. There were multiple times yesterday, I'll give you one example, where you would see, say, a stock with 7 million shares total outstanding. All it had was 7 million shares outstanding, and it would trade 400 million shares yesterday. 60 times the shares outstanding it would trade. That's not investing. Market manipulation. I don't know where the SEC is on this. They can't figure it out. They can't figure it out because they don't regulate people on Reddit. They don't regulate people on social media. They only regulate investment advisors and brokers. So they don't know what to do about this problem. You have people gang tackling a stock on Reddit so that it trades 60 times the amount of shares outstanding. Does that seem normal to you? Do you want to be a part of that insanity? Okay, if you do, you want to have some fun? Oh, go have some fun. Recognize what you're working with. At some point, that window closes and it's going to slam down on a whole bunch of fingers and it's going to be ugly. It's going to be real ugly. And these are the type of things I've seen unfold, not to this, but I've seen them unfold at the peaks of other bull markets. I think of the year 2000, the dot-com boom, crazy, insane valuations on companies with no revenue, burning through cash, and the excitement. And the people I'd bump into that would tell me, oh, I own, they would tell me, right, I'm the professional. They don't do it for a living, but they're going to tell me that sock puppet stock is going to go to the moon. And I'm the idiot for not doing it. I just don't understand. I don't understand .com. You don't understand. Just like I don't understand meme stocks now. Oh, you don't get that. These are great. I've seen it before. It's going to resolve the same way. Everyone have a great trading session. Remember, at the end of the day, be the smart money.